Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cleaning the Easy Way. Guess what? We're doing something different again. Yay! I'm actually getting Cody to do a craft and I am so excited. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the craft and then we'll get on to showing you. So when I was about 8 years old, my mom made this kind of, the children's block letters. She made a tree out of it and then added all of these fun little dollhouse type things around it. So every year she would pull it out and I would get really excited, and I could spend the longest time just sitting, looking at it, spinning it in circles. And my children loved it. My nieces and my nephews all love it. And so I thought I would make one for myself, and Cody wanted to make one too. So we recorded it for you guys so you could see. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. And now on to the video. You're going to need the children's alphabet blocks, a Lazy Susan, and any fun little thing to put on the tree. My Lazy Susan was 13 inches, and I think Cody's was 14. The first thing we did is lay out the base to make sure that we liked the way it looked. I am putting the corners of the blocks together and making a circle with it. If you are interested in purchasing any of the items that we used for today's craft, I will leave a link in the description. It's going to take you to our Amazon store where you can pick it up quickly. Using a fine grit sandpaper, Cody just buffed out the glaze on top of his Lazy Susan. We are using wood glue because we want the wood blocks to stay in place forever, and then a glue gun because we want it to set up faster. Wood glue in the middle and then along the edges with that hot glue gun. And as we place it down, we are putting the corners of the blocks together and kind of making a V shape in the front of it. We're going to go around in a circle and do that with all of our blocks. With each step up, we laid out the blocks first. With this one, I made a mistake and removed them all. I ended up not liking the way that they turned out, but the good thing is once I started putting the ornaments on the tree, I didn't mind the little mess up that I had made. I put the wood glue on the bottom blocks and then used the hot glue gun on the block I'm about to put on. Again, I am trying to put the corners together, but then as you can see, I'm staggering it so it kind of hangs over the V. I am following the same process for the third step of the wood blocks. Now it is time to decorate the tree. We just went around and looked at empty spaces, put something there to see if we liked it, and then glued it in place if we did. Cody wanted to decorate his tree with gnomes. So many years ago, Cody started putting gnomes in his mom's garden, and then his brother and sister joined in. His is going to be very full and very awesome. Mine will be not as full, but I do intend on over the years when I find something cute, I'm going to add it to my tree. Here are the end results. First, we're going to show you Cody's, and then I will show you mine. When my dad used to watch my boys, at Christmas time, he would sit around the table and they would play a search and find kind of game with all the little things on the tree. My dad has so many good memories doing that, and so do my boys.